Hey everyone, congrats on unboxing your new Mikolo ANUBIS 2.0 Elite. I know it might seem a little overwhelming at first, but don't sweat it. We're going to walk you through the assembly step by step, and you'll see just how straightforward it is. Before we dive in, a few quick tips to make this smooth. First, grab the tools you'll need, like adjustable wrenches, a socket set, and an electric wrench if you've got one. Second, lay out all the parts and hardware nice and organised. Then double check against the parts list and the manual to make sure everything's there. If anything's missing, hit up Mikolo's customer support right away. Third, since there's a ton of bolts and nuts, sort them into little boxes or containers by type. That way you won't mix them up or waste time hunting for the right one. And finally, when you're securing things, don't tighten the screws all the way just yet. Leave a bit of wiggle room so it's easier to adjust as we go. Alright, let's get started on the base frame. Before we jump into aligning those upright tubes, a quick heads up. If the posts feel too heavy or you're flying solo on this install, just lay them flat on the ground for now. That makes tightening the bolts a breeze. That said, this machine's assembly is definitely easier with two people, so grab a buddy if you can for safety and speed. Alright, moving on to the upright tubes. There are 4 of them, and here's the key thing. Make sure the side with the numbers is facing forward towards the front of the machine. That'll keep everything aligned just right for the rest of the build. Quick tip, we need to secure it, but don't screw it on too tight. That way it's easier to adjust later. When we're installing the crossbar, if it's feeling a little unwieldy, just prop it up from below with a chair or something sturdy to give you some support. That'll make things easier. As you position it, if it seems too low for your liking, feel free to mount it a notch or two higher. It won't mess with the machine's overall stability at all. Just be sure to leave enough clearance up there, or else once you add the pegboard, you might not have enough room to store the spotter arms properly. Before we start routing those cables, go ahead and pop off the pre-installed logo panel first. It'll make the whole process way quicker and more accurate. Those 3 top threads need to be locked down tight right from the get-go to keep everything secure. If the cable feels a little slack, use this adjuster here to pull it a tot. But make sure you lock it in place at the end or it'll loosen up again real quick. Alright, your Mikolo ANUBIS 2.0 Elite is all assembled and ready to rock. I hope you had as much fun putting it together as I did. Just a quick reminder, throughout the process, all those nuts, bolts and screws only need a finger tight twist at first. At the end, go ahead and snug everything up nice and tight for that rock solid structure. For anything else, always check your manual for the full scoop. And if you've got questions, reach out to Mikolo's customer support. They're there to help. If you're itching for more workout tips, just click the link in the description to hit up our website. And hey, swing by our other YouTube videos too. They're packed with great stuff that'll teach you even more about the ANUBIS 2.0 Elite. Thanks for watching.